Let's take a look at problem number 7. This is an absolute value equation. And there it is. Okay. So we got the absolute value of 11x minus 1 is equal to 21. So an absolute value equation. This says if you have the absolute value of something is equal to something else. That's pretty vague, but it really is that vague. Then you can drop the absolute value and set it equal to positive the other side, and you can drop the absolute value and set it equal to negative the other side, and then you solve it down from there. Now, key on this is the absolute value has to be by itself. No numbers in front of it, no numbers after it. For this first example, the absolute value is by itself. There's no numbers in front of it, there's no numbers after it. What's inside the parentheses would be our P, and the other side would be our Q. And our formula just says you drop the absolute value, you set it equal to positive the other side, and you drop the absolute value, and you set it equal to negative the other side. Now at this point, these are just linear equations, and you just solve them like normal. We're going to take the negative 1, move it over to the right side. Take anything across the equals, the sign changes, so it becomes a positive 1. Combine together numbers at any step. 21 plus 1 is 22. And then last step, solving linear equations. Divide both sides by the number in front of your x, which is 11. And those 11s cancel. And we get x equals 2. Now in this other one, we're going to do the same thing. Get rid of parentheses, get rid of fractions. There isn't any. Third step, get everything with the x on the left side, numbers on the right side. So I take negative 1 over. Becomes a positive 1. Remember, you take anything to the other side of the equals, sign changes. Combine together numbers at any step. Negative 21 plus 1 gives us negative 20. And last step, divide both sides by the number in front of your x, which is 11. And we get x equals negative 20 over 11. And these would be our two answers.